friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So in today's video, I want to show you how to mint the commemorative NFT on Venom Testnet. As usual, we are going to frame.xyz/quest. You can find the link in the comment section of this video. However, before coming here, I have already started the minting of the commemorative NFT. But then I recorded the entire process of me doing it, so I'm going to be showing you. So there are currently 3 quests. We have done one before, that is bridging to Venom Testnet. The second one is to mint commemorative NFT, and that is it here. So I'm going to get started on it. So you are going to paste a link to Frame Explorer in your search bar. Open a different tab, paste the link to Frame Explorer in the search bar. And then once the Explorer website are loaded, in the secondary search bar here, you are going to paste contract address of the commemorative NFT. You are going to paste it there. And so you are going to find both the link to the Explorer and also the contract address. I'm going to put everything in the comment section for your convenience. Then switch to the tokens tab that I marked just now. And here you are going to tap on Venom Testnet commemorative NFTs. Now you are going to tap on contracts. That is where you are going to see all the codes of the NFT, and then you can interact with the codes of the NFT. These are the codes. Then you are going to tap on write. I'm going to mark it now. Switch to right tab here. We want to interact with the NFT, but then before we do anything, we have to connect our wallet. So tap on connect wallet. Choose MetaMask. Tap on next, tap on connect. Now that our wallet is connected, you are going to scroll to the bottom and then tap on item number 2, mint commemorative NFT. It is going to open up a drop down for you. Now you are going to see a box in the drop down. You can see token ID. In that box, tap on that box and then enter 1, just figure 1. Then after you enter 1, tap on write. Select write. Now you are going to confirm that in your wallet. Tap on confirm. And that's it. That is all you need to do in order to mint the commemorative NFT. So I'm going back to FrameQuest website. So you can see the second task, mint your first NFT. So I'm going to tap on that card. Then tap on claim badge. Then tap on confirm. Our badge has been successfully claimed. You can see the progress bar here. It has been marked as done as well. I'll go back to the list of quests. Now you can see that the first and the second quest are now marked as completed. So we have one more quest that we have not yet done, and that is to delegate your wallet. So I'm going to do that in this video as well. I'll tap on the card. So the task is to delegate your wallet. So we are going to delegate.xyz in order to get started with this task. Delegate.xyz. So the essence of delegating your wallet to another wallet is for security purpose. So that, for example, as we are doing all of these airdrops, we are interacting with a lot of different contracts. And in order to protect your wallet, you can delegate your wallet to another wallet such that, tap on connect your wallet, such that when there is a risk of an attack, it is the other wallet you delegated to, where you don't have your funds saved, that is going to be affected, not your main wallet. So tap on next and tap on connect. Now tap on that icon and then make sure that you are on the Venom Testnet. Now you are going to tap to start using delegate. Tap on that, and then you are going to, you've already connected your main wallet. Now you are going to paste the address of the second wallet that you want to delegate to, and then you are going to tap on delegate. Tap on submit delegation. Then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Tap on confirm. Now the delegation is complete. If you want to see it, then tap on go to my profile. Now you can see the wallet, my main wallet that I used for this tutorial here, and then you can see the secondary wallet that I have delegated to. So if there were to be any issue of attack on wallet, it is the second wallet that will be affected and not the first wallet. So that's just it. We are going back to frame quests. And then tap on delegate your wallet. Let's verify this task. Tap on claim badge. The task is done. Then you're going to confirm the transaction in your wallet as well. So tap on confirm. And this badge as well has been successfully claimed. Let's go back to the quest page. And now you can see that all 3 quests on the website have been completed. So when there is a new update, I'm also going to create content around it. However, I want to go back and undelegate. So go back to delegate.xyz, tap on profile, tap on the wallet address that you delegated to, and then tap on revoke. Confirm the revoking in your wallet. So the revoke is completed. If you refresh the page now, you would see that there is no delegation currently active, and then you see that I only have 1 wallet at the moment. So that's just it. That's the end of today's video. If you have questions, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video, or join me on Telegram and on Medium. And if you have found value, please make sure you give me a like on this video and also subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.